how to change the app colors on iPhone. It's important to note that you can only do this with the version of iOS, which is 18, so go ahead and update your phone. I am on a iPhone 12, so this works for me. I just had to update my software. So what you need to do, it's real simple, is click and hold any app that you want. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to get some options here, and go ahead and click Edit Home Screen. And then don't click any of the minuses here. Focus on the Edit button at the top left-hand corner here. And then you're just going to hit Customize. And so here you can change the color of the apps. So you have a light option, you have a dark option, you have an automatic option that will change with the daytime or nighttime, or you can go ahead and tint your actual app colors. So you can really choose anything that you want and choose your colors and mess with the tint in there. And that is it. That's how you would go about changing the app colors on your iPhone. That's simple.